And there you go. Signing out to hello everyone. Very nice music. Now here comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you wish to volunteer, do raise up your hands and get the attention of our trainers who are coming to your respective sections. Alright? Right now we have Wani. In the middle we have Noor. And right there we have Mitra. Okay, to get their attention, not mine, alright? Okay, now look at the bird's strong wings as they fly past you. These help them to swoop through branches in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now we all can help them by making sure we use recycled products or reuse our things. Right, this will make sure that lesser of their homes are destroyed. Okay, by the way, that is Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, and this is Vega, our scarlet macaw. Okay, so anytime Kaya is ready, she will be making a flight first and then followed by Vega.